30 years factory-trained experience. All the doctor's work is warranted, just like the dealers. Most extended warranties are accepted. He's AAA certified, as well as the Bosch Service Center. Call 661-5880 or visit themercedesdoctor.com. The Mercedes Doctor in Huntsville is independently owned and operated by Larry Clements.
Hey guys, are you paying too much for your erectile dysfunction meds? Not sure? Give Payless Drugs a call and find out how much you could be saving on your prescription. Payless Drugs is currently offering sildenafil, the same active ingredient in Viagra, for as low as $2 per 20 milligram tablet. A prescription is required, and in many cases they can call your doctor for you. To find a Payless Drugs location nearest you, give them a call or visit mynewpharmacy.com today. That's mynewpharmacy.com. The Paul Feinbaum Show is presented by Regions Bank.
Hey, welcome back. Wednesday afternoon, let's check in with Bryant next up in Ohio. Hey, Bryant.
Hey, Paul, how you doing?
We are doing great. Thank you very much.
Good. I've got a little question in for you. I've been talking with people about it. Who do you think would do better, coaching-wise, if David was the coach during Bear Bryant's time?